new, freshly painted houses. These houses are not built for sale. They're houses for homeless students, constructed by a principal and a teacher in Kochi. Principal Lissy and teacher Lily have constructed over 150 such houses for homeless students and their families so they can lead a decent life.
We started House Challenge project, first of all to shelter our own students, those who come without basic facilities. Then when we saw our dream is to make the society homeless free.
The duo raised funds from teachers, students and neighbors to build these homes. Their contribution has been a great relief for students and families struggling during the pandemic. The tales of teachers coming forward with ways to help their students have become more common in recent days. Primary school teacher Deep Nayak took it upon himself to transform the streets of a remote tribal village in West Bengal, painting blackboards on walls and conducting classes for children on streets.
We all come here for learning. Here we all very excited about education. Sir give us book, copy, bags, foods.
Nayak had to find a way to help his students cope with challenges of social distancing and lack of internet in rural areas. Many of the students who had to drop out due to the COVID-19 lockdown are able to get a second shot at education because of Nayak.
जब से लॉकडाउन लगा है हम लोग का बच्चों का सब पढ़ाई लिखाई बंद हो चुका था, सब इधर उधर भाग रहे थे, कोई माठ में, कोई इधर तो कोई उधर। ऐसे में हम लोग का यहाँ सर आए, सबको पढ़ाए। आज 2 साल होने चला, 2 साल से मास्टर लगातार आ रहे हैं, यहाँ पर सभी बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, यहाँ तक कि बच्चों के साथ साथ अभिभावक को भी पढ़ा रहे हैं।
The pandemic forced the schools to shut down, disrupting education for millions of students, especially in rural areas. India closed down schools in March last year and ever since has been struggling to get them functioning at their full capacity. While some schools were able to transition to online classes, many like Nayak students who hail from tribal and poor communities were left with no support mechanism. A survey of 1,400 school children from low-income households across 15 states conducted in August 2021 showed that only 8% in rural areas had constant access to online studies. Around 37% said they did not study at all. They either did not have a smartphone or had very poor connectivity or did not have the money to pay for internet connection. Experts say that the 2 years of continuous lockdowns has derailed years' worth of work to raise employment in schools. The stabilizing of COVID infections at 30,000 a day in the last few weeks and the approval of a COVID shot for people under 18 has offered hope to many. But while some states have started opening schools, they're still mainly for middle schools and above. A Federal Report.